It's really important that you have a lawyer as opposed to a consultant when you're dealing with these timeshare developers.
Under the rules of law, the developer must deal with us. They can't call the people. Some of them are getting 10 calls a day from the developer, and that we cut all that off.
The timeshare developers' own policies and practices say never even use the word cancel or rescission. Their job is to sell you on another contract or keep you in. They will never help you get out.
People are extraordinarily disenchanted with what they get and what they've gotten and the kinds of obligations, the suffocating obligations that they're stuck with relative to what they get.
Some people feel like they're helpless, or they try to solve it on their own, and all they get is a runaround.
I even wrote a letter to the timeshare itself and said, okay, I have a mother who's 90 years old. She is unable to use this timeshare anymore. Can I just give it back to you? Or what can I do in order for you to take it from her? And they totally turned me down.
People are trying to get out of timeshare agreements because at least a fair share of them overpromise. They don't deliver on what the salesperson told them.
This has become palpably worse in the last 7 years since we've been doing this exclusively, but we've seen more and more abusive practices.
It is an industry that uses fraud to recruit people and high pressure sales tactics.
And our clients are just trying to get a fair deal. They didn't get one, and the law protects them and allows them certain remedies. That's where we come in.
We're willing to actually litigate these cases, arbitrate these cases, go wherever we have to do these things and take these people on.
Our clients are really from all over the world.
We have a network of attorneys throughout the country that we can use to represent our clients wherever they need us. We have local counsel in virtually every state where developers have resorts.
We've seen some of these very egregious cases. I feel very strongly about what we do, and we want to help these people.
They often owe a lot of money. I've had cases where people owe $150,000. We can get them out of that.
This is what we do. We know about timeshares. We know the agreements. We know the major players. We know all the major developers. It's not a surprise, some of the tactics that they use at the sales presentations and even in the courtroom.
We want people to feel that they're no longer victims, that they're free of this burdensome debt, and they are now free to live their lives again. And that's the best part of my job.